Smells like an ashtray in here. Hey. These make lots of less than stellar sounds. That door is slow. I'm not sure what's making that buzzing sound up here. Impulse. Did it just get stuck? There we go. I don't think the door closed properly the first time. These things are pretty... Whoa. These things are pretty beat up. I'll do one more. Hopefully I don't miss my bus for this. And it looks like I might be. Shit. Oh no, I'm good. This is a very sad elevator. Not again! Look at the door. It didn't shut. This door needs some help. Shut. Whoa. And I think that's my bus, so I'm not going to watch it close because I'm going to run for that. That's it.